Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my classroom. Today I have with me Batman, who says hi and that he's glad to be a part of this process here with you today, taking place in our amazing digital learning atmosphere. Don't mind the growls of my dogs in the background, that's normal. So, today we are here to start a brand new unit, and it is all about expository writing. Oh, Katniss is joining the adventure. Don't step on the computer. Okay. So, what is expository writing, you may ask? Well, expository writing is all about facts. Expository's main purpose is to explain. So, expository, explain. It is all about facts and figures. It is not opinion based. It is all about process. So when you hear the term expository writing, it may sound kind of scary because you're like, expository writing, I've never heard of that one. I know what narrative is, I know what blah, blah, blah is, but expository sounds fancy. Really just keep in mind, expository means explain. So it's things that you actually encounter every day. No, really, of all the writing types, you encounter this one the most. It's things like writing in textbooks, explanations of directions, how to do things, aka everything you've been doing through the digital learning experience. All of the writing you're reading online, expository, my friends. So remember, expository explains. Now, what we're going to be doing this unit is we are going to be exploring a module that is all about your dream job. So you are going to start with a guided meditation and reflection. Then you are going to choose your dream job. You'll do some research on that dream job. You'll take a quick break from dreaming about your job to do a lesson on grammar, conventions, and mechanics. It is an Edpuzzle, yes. And then you guys are going to write a resume. I'm going to walk you through that process of writing a resume step by step by step. The full assignment's here, but don't just read it and get overwhelmed and freak out because each and every one of these videos walks you through the process. Now, all right, Emery's asked me what's on my emergency list for Walmart. Nothing, Emery, we're fine. Anyway, you are going to, after you're done with the resume, create a digital interview, and then we will reflect on this unit. So, short, sweet, hopefully not too complicated, but I am always here if you have questions. Mwah. Love you guys. Katniss, say bye-bye. Bye.